Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. If you will open it for the very first time, your device will give you the chance to pick between the parental controls and the well-being, so simply tap on the first option, show your data, I believe, and as you can see, after that, you will be transferred directly to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can see that I've been using it for 1 hour. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and the phone. And here we've got some other apps. Here we've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap directly inside of the graph, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the to this dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the device in particular days. So it will show the screen time. As you can see here, we've got listed the apps with particular time which you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So let me pick the settings. And again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one particular app. So as you can see, in my case with the settings, again, we've got the screen time, notifications received and times opened, and we can change it from daily to hourly if you want to. So basically this is how to check the screen time. And just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect. Here we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and the focus mode, and I highly recommend to use those modes. They will be useful if you want to rest, if you want to have the time for yourself, if you don't want to be disturbed. You can set, for example, the focus mode. Here you can select some distracting apps, so the apps from which you are receiving most notifications. So let's pretend that I'm receiving it from Chrome and the messages. And as you can see right now, you can set a schedule, so you can pick particular days and the hours in which your device will limit the notifications. You can tap on set and tap on turn on now, and thanks to this your device will simply pause the apps and it will hide the notifications in particular time you just set. So I really highly recommend to check those modes because they can be useful. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.